Welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, my name is Celine and welcome to my channel. So for today's video guys, another skincare video po tayo, and I'll be sharing you guys the products or the skincare products that lately I've been using. So at first guys, hesitant ako to use this kind of products kasi vitamin C concentrated sila. Pero lately, dahil nagkaroon ako ng skin problems, naghanap ako ng solusyon para sa aking mga dark acne marks. Kaya naman tinry ko itong mga products na ito para malaman ko kung totoo nga ba yung kanilang claims na in less than 3 days ay magkakaroon ako ng spotless skin. So, if you are interested guys to know more about these products, then please keep on watching. But before that guys, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel. Turn on notifications so you will get notified every time I post a new video. And now, let's begin. So, eto guys, mga products na ito, I've been using these products for almost 15 days na. And eto na yung aking skin. So, magpapakita ako guys ng some clips or ng pictures dito nung nagsimula yung aking breakout. Para makita ninyo yung comparison and improvement ng aking skin within 15 days na paggamit nitong mga products na ito. And as you can see guys, eto na yung aking skin condition ngayon. So, zoom in ko lang kayo para makita ninyo. Ayan. So, eto talaga yung grabe yung breakouts ko last few weeks and dito rin and dito sa aking chin. Ayan talaga yung tinagtad ng acne sa aking face. So, nakapag-cleanse na ako ng aking face and talagang sinadya ko mag-feel ng wala akong anything sa aking face para makita ninyo guys yung comparison nung mga first day na nagkaroon ako ng breakout. Etong mga products na ito nga pala guys is ginagamit ko sila every morning and every night. First step guys na ginagawa ko is nagki-cleanse ako ng aking face using itong Garnier Light Complete Brightening Foam, a gentle, easy to rinse foam with power of pure lemon extracts to intensively cleanse and clears dullness. And as you can see, sa kanyang packaging, makikita mo na kaagad yung picture ng lemon dyan and color yellow lang yung kanyang pinakatakip. And ganito naman siya sa likod. Kalagay yung kanyang claims and how to use and then yung kanyang ingredients. And this product guys contains 50 ml and kapag once na na-open nyo na sila is magagamit mo sila for 12 months, naka-indicate din dito. And this product guys is made in Thailand. So what I usually do every morning and every night guys is binabasa ko muna yung aking buong face and then kumukuha lang ako ng pea size and gently minamassage ko siya for almost a minute over my face. Ayan, and nilalather ko siya and then afterwards ko siyang i-massage sa aking buong face and sa aking neck ay nire-rinse ko siya ng water. So guys, yung aking first step, cleansing my face using itong Garnier Light Complete na Brightening Foam Cleanser. And then for my next step naman guys, after cleansing my face, gamit ko naman yung kanilang toner. So eto guys, yung Garnier Milky Lightening Doe Toner. Its fresh milky formula is enriched with pure lemon essence to help skin smoother, lighter, softer, and complexion more even. So eto guys yung kanilang toner. So nakalagay dito with pure lemon essence plus hydrating agent. So nakalagay din sa kanilang packaging guys that this product is dermatologically tested. So nakalagay din guys dun sa likod ng packaging niya how to use, the ingredients, as well as yung manufacture date and the expiration date. And this product contains 150 ml. So ngayon guys, since nakapag-cleanse na ako ng aking face, and since gabi na ngayon guys, hindi na ako gumagamit ng cotton pads. Maglalagay na lang ako sa aking kamay para makita ninyo. So ayan guys, yung kanyang pinaka-itsura. Hindi siya kagaya nung the usual na toner na ginagamit natin. Ito is parang na rin siyang serum and talagang milky siya. So ito siya kapag nilagay. And gently ko siyang pinapat-pat sa aking skin para madali siyang ma-absorb ng aking skin. Ayan. Sama na rin natin yung aking neck. So, isa pa guys na nagustuhan ko sa toner na ito is talagang mafe-feel mo talagang napapalambot niya or nagiging smoother yung skin ko, ganyan. Kung problems ninyo, meron kayong textured skin, ganyan, hindi lang ito maganda for dark spots, dark acne marks, maganda rin ito for textured skin kasi mafe-feel mo talaga afterwards mo siyang in-apply sa face mo is sobrang smooth and malambot yung iyong skin. So, yun yung nagustuhan ko sa toner na ito. So, yan yung ating next step. And then, after nyan guys, kapag fully absorbed na siya ng aking skin, yung last step na ginagawa ko every evening guys is naglalagay naman ako nitong kanilang Vitamin C Booster Serum. Ayan siya guys. So, as you can see guys, hindi nyo na makita yung laman kasi talagang every morning and every night ko siyang ginagamit. And this Garnier Light Complete Vitamin C Booster Serum guys claims that visibly brighter spotless skin in as early as 3 days, most concentrated brightening formula with highest 30 times vitamin C and Japanese yuzu lemon, helps reduce darkening, lightweight texture superior formula, fast-absorbing serum works deeply to lighten dark spots and acne marks, clinically proven 30% reduction of spot size in 4 weeks, for all skin types, suitable for sensitive skin, reduces spots in density, size, and color. For dull skin with dark spots and hyperpigmentation caused by acne marks. On first use, skin is smoother, brighter, and more translucent. With regular use, dark spots are reduced and skin looks visibly brighter. Ako is nilalagay ko muna siya sa aking fingertips, saka ko siya nilarab ng dahan-dahan, and saka ko siya ina-apply sa aking buong face. Lalong-lalo na doon sa merong mga dark acne marks ko. Ayan. Pinaka-key ingredients nitong booster serum ng Garnier is a vitamin C. So, as we all know guys, a vitamin C is the most powerful ingredients ng mga skincare products kasi nakakatulong talaga sila to brighten up yung ating uneven skin tone, and then nakakatulong din sila para ma-lessen yung ating mga wrinkles, ganyan, and para magkaroon tayo ng glowing skin. So, pinapat-pat ko lang din siya until ma-absorb siya ng aking skin. Siyempre, wag rin natin kakalimutan yung ating neck para naman pantay yung color nila. So, as you can see guys, ayan siya sa aking skin. So, makikita mo na meron siyang glowing effect. And nagustuhan ko sa kanya is very lightweight lang siya and meron siyang konting lagkit, pero kapag na-absorb na siya ng skin, nawawala naman yung lagkit. And isa pa guys na nagustuhan ko dito is sobrang malambot talaga siya sa skin. Napansin ko dito guys, within 15 days ko siyang ginamit. Hindi naman ako nagkaroon ng irritation, hindi rin ako nagkaroon ng redness sa aking skin. Every morning naman guys, meron ako dito, eto, yung kanilang Light Complete na serum cream with SPF 36 naman siya. Every morning, ito naman yung ginagamit ko after ko mag-apply ng serum. Okay din ito guys, every morning kasi very lightweight lang siya and napapansin ko talaga na maganda siya sa skin, and at the same time, meron na rin siyang sun protection factor. Meron ka ng protection against doon sa harmful UV rays from the sun. So, ito naman yung ginagamit ko every morning.
And here are some clips guys na kinunan ko when I started using Garnier products.
So, ayan guys, yung mga skincare products from Garnier na ginagamit ko this past few days, and nakita ko talaga na nag-brighten talaga yung aking uneven skin tone, and even yung aking mga dark acne marks talagang naglalighten sila. Hindi nga lang sila nawala as early as 3 days. And now, let's move on for my final thoughts para dito sa mga Garnier products, guys. So, first, para sa kanyang packaging. So, tingnan natin, guys. Ayan sila. So, gusto ko yung color ng packaging nila, which is a light yellow. So, sobrang linis lang tingnan nung kanilang mga products. And gusto ko rin yung takip nitong kanilang toner, kasi itataas mo lang siya. So, madali lang kumuha nung pinaka-product. Same lang din guys nitong kanilang brightening foam. So, itataas mo lang siya. Unlike doon sa twistable cup. So, ito, so parang ipupul mo lang siya ganyan. Makukuha mo na yung pinaka-product. Next naman, para sa kanyang scent, gusto ko rin yung kanyang amoy. Mabango siya. And alam mo yung citrusy na scent niya is nakaka-relax. Para naman sa kanilang price, very affordable sila guys. Yet, very effective sila. And if a problem ninyo yung dark spots, dark acne marks, uneven skin tone, and gusto ninyo na medyo mag-lighten yung inyong skin tone ganyan, highly na marirecommend ko sa inyo etong mga products na ito, kasi talagang nag-work sila for me. But although hindi siya totally nawala yung aking mga dark acne marks in just 3 days, pero with a consistent or regular use nitong mga products na ito, nakita ko talaga yung improvement ng aking skin day by day. Pag meron din kayong mga skin problems, gusto niyo ng solusyon, eto guys yung maire-recommend ko sa inyo. But alala lang guys, though sabi dito sa kanyang packaging na this is suitable for all skin types, pero if ever na hypersensitive ang inyong skin guys, maybe hindi para sa inyo itong Garnier products, kasi pinaka-key ingredients talaga nito is the vitamin C. So, kapag hypersensitive ang inyong skin, merong tendency na magkaroon kayo ng irritation or magkaroon ng redness, and sometimes hindi talaga magiging hiyang sa inyo yung mga skincare na mayroong vitamin C. So, naman guys, kapag gusto talaga ninyong gumamit nito, always do the skin patch test mo. Again guys, ayan, if naghahanap kayo ng solution para sa inyong mga skin problems, ganyan, dark spots, dark acne marks, and even skin tone, and highly marirecommend ko sa inyo itong mga Garnier products guys. Affordable lang sila guys, and yet super effective talaga sila when it comes sa pagpapalighten ng ating skin. So, ayun lang guys. I hope na meron kayong natutunan para sa ating video for today. And if kung bago ka pa lang po sa aking channel, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on notification so you will get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Be nice, stay safe, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye!